Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Marlene. I'm so excited to share with you this beautiful Cottagecore mini junk journal. It's easy to create, so if you're interested in making one, don't forget to get the kit on my Patreon. By joining my Patreon community, you will be the first to access all my new creations and exclusive content. I will leave you all the links in the description box below. So, let's get started. This kit is one of my special Patreon bonus and freebies. We are going to start by assembling the cover, back cover, and spine. Glue all the pieces together using the tabs, just as I'm showing you here. Next, fold the flaps inward and glue them all down. Now, take the binding piece and trim the holes if needed. Then gather your pages and any extra elements you would like to include it. I added some ink around the edges, but this step is completely optional. Fold all the pages to create 3 signatures. For the binding process, you will need some strong thread and needle. Fold the binding guide in half, trim the holes if necessary, and use this as a template. Now make the holes in each signatures, just as I show you here. Watch closely how I do it. We're going to start with the first signatures, pass the needle through the center hole, then the top hole, and finally the bottom hole. Once you're finished, tie and knot the security. Repeat the same process with the center signatures and then with the last signature. I decide to leave the thread tiles on the center signatures because I'm going to add a beads decoration. Now glue the signatures in the center of the journal and then glue the lining pieces into place. This is my favorite part. Use the ephemera included in the kit to decorate your mini journal. You can also add extra elements like flowers, lace, ribbons, or anything else you like. These butterflies are included exclusive with the Patreon version of the kit, but of course you can always add your own decoration elements. For this part, I create a shaker window. This step is optional, but if you like to make one like mine, use 2 or 3 mm foam to create some dimension around the window. Then add glitter or any other small embellishment inside before gluing the landscapes piece on the top to close it. I also made my own paper flowers and leaves to decorate the cover, but feel free to decorate yours however you like. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember, if you'd like to be the first to access all my new creations, you can join my Patreon community. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoy my content and my printable kits, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I will be happy to see you in the next video. Now enjoy the flip through. Bye bye!